Right, now, from the last one, we got all the timing belt on, we've got the rocker cover on, and the inlet manifold. So now we've got a few other things we need to do, but for the time being, we're going to fit the turbo, which is there. So we're going to get all that all bolted on. Right, guys, as you can see, all the turbos all on now. I'll put the oil breather hose, shall I say. Just got all the back bits fit up, so I've got all the coolant pipes there, got other bits and bobs I'm going to be fitting on. I've got the injectors there, got a bolt up. Now, as you remember from the last time how we got the engine up, I'll show you through it in a minute. But we're on the stage now where we're putting the engine back into the car. And today we've got Chris.
Hey, how's it going, guys? You all good? If this is your first time on Vinny's channel, please click like, subscribe. You know what to do.
Yeah. Right, so today we're putting the engine back in. Remember this one, guys? It's been such a while now. Been too long, isn't it, Chris?
Yeah, a couple of years.
yeah.
Just joking.
Yeah, no, it's been about 7 or 8 months now. No, coming up 9 months now.
9 months, yeah.
So, right, basically, it's the engine time. So, look at this, guys. All built back up. Everything's all on it. All had its clean up. Do a little walk around. So you've got all the alternator on there, got the starter motor in there, all the rear drive shaft, everything all built back up. Obviously that's still loose because we've got the pipe over there, right there. Done all the side bits. So basically all we've got to do is we've got the engine crane over there. We're going to get it off of the stand, get the flywheel on, get the clutch on, get the gearbox bolted up. Do you remember this, the dowel, what was in there? It was all crushed. We've got the other dowel in the gearbox, which is just over the back there. So right, we're going to get it all fitted back up and get it into the car. Now we're at the stage where we can start putting the engine in. We're going to time lapse it a bit. Just do a little walk around of everything. All the engines built up, turbos on, clutch and gearbox is on. All the auxiliaries, as you can see, alternator is all on. So right, we're going to crack on and time lapse it and marry the engine back into the car. Everything's all in. Just do your little run around. Everything's all bolted up. New radiators in. We've put the oil in, gearbox oil in. We've got water. We've got antifreeze in. Battery booster just on the safe side. Do not connect the coil pack up yet. That stays unplugged, because what we're going to do is we're going to build up oil pressure. This is the very first start. There's literally nothing. We haven't started it or anything. It is cold, ready for the first start up. So you guys are going to see the first process, what we do. All the intercoolers all bolted up and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in Chris over there. Hey, he's going to give it the first turnover, and then we're going to, like, just to prime the crank and the camshafts and that, and then we're going to start it, turn it over again for a little bit, and then we're going to turn it off, wait a couple of minutes. Chris is going to jump in, aren't you, Chris?
Of course I am.
Yeah. And then we're going to turn it over a couple of times, Chris. Now we're going to turn it over a couple of bit longer. Yep. Right, off. Right, so now everything's all rotated and whatnot. We're going to turn it over until the oil light goes out.
Yeah?
Right, go on, keep turning it over.
Where's the oil light then?
Huh?
Where's the oil light?
And the oil light, it's probably gone out already. But keep turning over. Right. Okay, stop. Right, just have a little look underneath. There's no leaks or anything. Right, we're going to connect up the coil pack. Right, coil pack's on. You ready, Chris?
Yeah, man.
Go on and go for it, brother. Right, turn it off for a minute. Right, now do it again. There you go, guys. Right, turn it off for a second. Right, lovely. Right, we're going to have a couple little tests. Obviously, get a bit of fresh smoke from the turbo where it hasn't been started for a while. But yeah, that's all up and running. Right, and there's Chad. Say hello, Chad. Hey. And how do you feel, Chris?
Yeah, excited, man. I was pretty nervous, of course.
Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a little check over it, do a couple more tests, make sure there's no leaks or anything, and then we'll be back with you and do a couple more little runs with it and get it up to temperature. Bearing in mind as well, guys, you probably won't be able to see it in there, but let me get a torch. If I can. Oh, there's a torch here. Look at that. If you can see in there, guys, we haven't got an alternator belt on there, so we can't do too much because the alternator belt's not on there. So, right, we're going to be back with you guys.